In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mask text in Canva, which is a fantastic way to make your designs more eye-catching and dynamic. Whether you're crafting a social media post, a presentation slide, or a personal project, text masking can add that extra flair. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to open Canva and start a new design. You might want to think ahead about the dimensions of your design and what you'll be using it for. Canva offers a variety of templates and sizes, but for text masking specifically, any size will do just fine as long as it suits your intended use. Once you're in your design space, head over to the Elements tab on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find a treasure trove of graphics, shapes, and even frames. In the search bar within the Elements tab, type in letter frames. These frames are the key to creating our text masking effect. Now, start by adding each individual letter of your words separately to your canvas. For example, if you're spelling out hello, you'll add an H, then an E, followed by the L, twice, and finally, an O. The idea here is to treat each letter frame as a unique component of your text. Arrange these letters side by side to form your word as you would with regular text. You can play around with the spacing and alignment to get it just right. Make sure they're aligned properly so your final design looks cohesive and professional. With your letters in place, it's time to add the images. Select an image that you'd like to use and drag it onto each letter frame. You can use the same image for all letters or different images for each. It's entirely up to you and the effect you're aiming for. Lastly, let's fine-tune the look. Double-click on each letter frame to adjust the image inside. This step ensures that the most visually appealing part of the image fits perfectly within the frame. You can click and drag the image around or zoom in and out to achieve a balanced and aesthetically pleasing appearance. And there you have it, a beautifully masked text effect created right in Canva. With just a few simple steps, you've added a personalized and artistic touch to your design. This method is versatile and can be adapted to any project, helping your creations stand out. I hope you found this guide helpful and are inspired to create your own unique text masks. Feel free to experiment with different images and layouts to see what works best for your design needs. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!